web, but from your local drive. Some of you may have countless references on your computer just waiting to be utilized. To bring in from your local drive, you can either drag and drop into the library like so, or use the plus reference button and select local drive. Search for the files you want to upload into Typed and upload them. You can also bring in references and documents from your Google Drive as well. Bring them in from either your personal drive or any shared drives that you have access to. Important note here, bringing documents from your Google Drive does not bring in the original file, but instead makes a copy in Typed. You will notice the original file in Google Drive and the file brought into Typed are not synced. It's because they are different files. For your information, the uploads are not limited to just document files. All files are capable of being uploaded to the document library. However, the majority of them will not be viewable in the split viewer. This tip is for those who would like to use Typed as a cloud storage, even for briefly. Try uploading a file in your own Typed space. Next tutorial we have for you is creating references within your documents. See you there.